Hello everyone. Hello funny English students. How are you today? I'm happy because it's sunny. It's sunny today and hot. It's a nice warm spring day. So I thought we could make a boat. Do you see the boat there? What is it? It's a boat. Yeah, it's a boat. Make sure you can see it well. It's a boat. Okay, so we've got the boat and this part here, which is, let me see, a flag, okay? Flag, 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 flag. And I put a rainbow on my flag. The rainbow, right? And so your boat, my boat, can float. It can. My boat can float. See? So then I can play with it. Maybe you can play with it in the bath or in the sink or in a bowl like me, okay? So yay, our boat can float. All right, so now let's make the boat, right? You don't need much. Again, really, you only need two things. Cork. This is cork, 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 and rubber bands, okay? So hopefully you have some cork and rubber bands. If not, maybe your parents can save you some cork in the future so that you can make a boat, okay? So just take your corks. I'm going to use three corks, and put your 3 corks together in a row like this on the table, okay? So 1 cork, 2 cork, 3 cork. And then take a rubber band and put the rubber band around them to hold them together. You could use glue, a very strong glue like this, if you have it, but I assume you don't have it. So let's use a rubber band, okay? So put the rubber band around, and now the other one, like this. Or I'm going to put it around twice so that it's very strong and solid, the boat, okay? So that's it, really. This is the boat, it's finished. I painted my boat before. This one. So I painted it blue. You could paint it. Or maybe you could try and use markers again if you want to. Or leave it like this. It's still a very cool looking boat, right? Now, if you want to make a flag, you just need a few more things. You need paper, right? Paper for the flag, of course. You need then scissors and glue. And then a straw or a stick for cooking in the kitchen, like this, maybe, a stick or a straw, whatever you have. I'm going to use a straw, okay, like this one. This was a straw. So you can just take it and whoop, put it in your boat like that. So all you do is take the paper and cut a triangle. So I'm going to cut the corner of the paper to make a triangle, right? That's a triangle. And then take my straw. I'm going to cut it. Doesn't need to be so long. And I'm going to put the straw in the middle of the triangle and fold, right, and glue. I'll show you right now. So I put glue on one side, the straw in the middle, and just fold, 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 and glue it together like that. And now I have another flag. You can take your markers or crayons and color a design on the flag and just put it on your boat. Stick it in between two corks. And that's it. Now you have a boat. You can use it in your bath or in a bowl with some water like I did. Enjoy! Bye-bye!